Hey, welcome to this video. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Mary and this is my channel where I teach skincare to beginners and to people who want to know about skincare. So if you're new, I'd like to know if this is your first time watching my videos. Leave your comments introducing yourself. As I said, my name is Mary. I'd like to know what your name is too. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 skincare habits that greatly transformed my skin. I'm going to share with you tips that helped me and tips that I now live by because of how amazingly they changed my life and my skincare game. So if you want to know these tips, just keep watching this video, don't go anywhere, and let's begin this video properly. Tip number 1, the first thing that I did or started doing that changed my skincare game drastically is exfoliation. If you're new to skincare, exfoliation might sound like a really big thing, but it's no big deal, guys. It's just the removal of dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. Now, usually your skin does this on its own without any help. So as we go older, it starts to take a little bit longer. It starts to take a little longer than normal. And while it takes this much amount of time for your skin to just do everything all by itself, in the process, your pores can get clogged as well as some other skin issues. So now, to avoid all of this, which is what I was suffering in the past, like I had all the skincare products right, but I wasn't exfoliating right and my skin was just shit. So when I started to exfoliate right, my skin started to go from bad to somewhere up. So exfoliation helped me a lot. So that's the first, I don't know if I'm touching the mic too much. Am I touching the mic too much? Okay, so exfoliation helped me a lot. As you grow older, you need to exfoliate more and more and more. If you're new to exfoliation, I have a video I made sometime in the past. I don't know what I said in that video. I was really new to skincare then. So if you want me to make another video based on all the knowledge I've gathered so far, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to make another exfoliation video for you. Maybe I'll title it how to exfoliate right or something like that, because there is exfoliating and there is also exfoliating right, and they're actually 2 different things. You can be exfoliating and not exfoliating right, and it's still not going to give you, and you won't get the benefits from exfoliating if you're not exfoliating right. So I could make a video showing you guys how to exfoliate right, because exfoliation changed my skincare game. Yes. Okay, so we move to the next tip. Now, this is something that I used to say in the past. Then I stopped saying it because I felt like, okay, dudes, they get it. Stop saying it, move on. But then it now looks like they didn't actually get it. Like, no, they did not get it. They still do it. I still see them do it. And that is changing your pillowcases frequently. Now, I cancel frequently and I'm going to put in there daily, like every blessed day. The moment you wake up while making your bed, change that pillowcase. You sweat in the night, your hair products get on your pillowcases as well as other things that you don't even want to know. And all of these things can make your skincare life so hard. Like my skincare life used to be so hard in the past. I used to be so frustrated, and it's so frustrating when you spend so much money buying products. You get shitty results from them, and you start to think, oh God, why me? Like, why is my skin different? Why? It's product not working for me. This product, everyone swears by it, and then I use it and it doesn't work. Now, it could be your skin type. But then again, in most cases, it could be other things that you do that just make that product goes to waste and not work. Things like not changing your pillowcases. So change your pillowcases every day. Set alarms on your phones, set reminders on your mirror walls, just anything that you can do to help you remember to change that pillowcase, girl. Now you do that. Third point. I can't believe I'm the one saying this, because if you had met me before and you told me to do this, I'll be like, okay, I get you. You can leave. Yeah, shut the door behind you. Thank you. But now I'm the one preaching it, and that is face oils. Face oils. Now, don't blame me. I have an oily skin. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it from the camera right now, but I can make you a face oil from the face, from the oil my face produces. But then again, even if you have oily skin, you need face oil. If you want your skin to glow, if you want your skin to be happy, if you want your skin to flourish, if you want to change that skincare game, then you need face oil. You need face oil. Now, there are different face oils for different skin types. Not every facial oil should be used on every skin type. I could make another video for face oils to help you guys understand it more. Now you see why I say I know some more things, a lot more things than I used to know in the past. In the past, when I started skincare newly, I didn't know much, but now I can say to an extent that I am I don't know everything yet, but at least to an extent I know a lot. So if you want me to make a video on the different oils for different skin types, so that you don't go using the wrong face oil, because face oils is like a double-edged sword. If you use it right, you get a good result. If you use it wrongly, so you want to be using it right. You want to be doing it the right way. So let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in getting a face oil video. But right now, facial oil changed my skincare game. Facial oil, apart from it having its benefit to the skin, it can also help you seal in moisture. And moisture is good for your skin. If there is moisture in your skin will definitely be healthier. Your pores will be able to flush out toxins. Your skin will be able to flush out toxins. Your skin will be able to thrive. Like, hydration is all good. So anything that can help you retain hydration is what you should for, especially if you want a healthier skin and if you want to change your skincare game.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Do not pick your pimples. Now, I'm sure that a lot of you have had this. Do not pick your pimples. Anywhere you go, they say don't pick your pimples, don't pop your acne, don't pop your zits, dump up. Yes. But then this goes to say that it can never be emphasized enough, because a lot of people still do it. Even this moment, there's someone watching this video and is trying to pop a pimple. Yeah, don't do that. Just don't perform any form of extraction yourself. The only extraction that should be done on your face should be done by a professional, someone that you are sure is taking all of the necessary precautions, so that you don't end up worsening the situation of that acne, because acne can be very stubborn. So just don't do it. Now, the final tip is to treat your acne as they come. Now, do not confuse it with my previous point, which is to not touch your acne. Treating acne and popping your acne are two different things. So, treating your acne as they come is taking all the measures that you can to reduce the inflammation. Reducing the inflammation is reducing the acne itself and also the scar that it will leave. It can leave a very bad scar that will be difficult to treat, that will be stubborn to fade away, or you could help it leave a more soft a more lighter scar that will be easier to fade, or even no scars at all. I've had acne on my face and it goes and that's the end of it. There was no scar on my face at all. And then again, I've had acne that I still have the scarring till this very day, and the acne went away like decades ago or so, but the spot is still there. So treating, how you treat your acne, basically what I'm saying is treat your acne as they come. Lots of over-the-counter acne products that you can use to subtly treat the acne until it goes, and there are a lot of follow-up spot treatment that you can use to clear the spots. So don't leave your acne unattended to. It's not going to clear itself. If it clears itself, it might, you can never tell how well it will clear itself. It will clear itself in a good way if you're lucky, or it could clear itself messily. That is why you should take the matter into your hands and treat your acne as they come. You could use pimple patches. Pimple patches are really cool. I love pimple patches because they are effective and then they're also cute. There are a lot of acne treating ingredients. They are not lacking. They are like out there. So just treat your acne as they come. Now that's all I have for you in this video. Did you like it? Let me know in the comments if you found this video to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really had a good time filming it. I'll see you in my next video. Please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.